Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this extremely creamy, very delicious and super easy to make chocolate mousse. The base recipe only requires 4 ingredients, so you'll have it whipped up in no time. So the first thing that you need to do is pop a tin of coconut cream in the fridge overnight. As you can see here, it helps the cream solidify. I'm going to pop the coconut cream into a bowl. To that we're going to add in the powdered sugar, the cocoa powder, and the vanilla. Then give the ingredients a good whisk together on high speed until they're all combined and the mixture becomes thick and creamy. Make sure you scrape down the sides as you go just to make sure all ingredients are combined. Once the mixture is thick and creamy, we're going to pour that into our glasses. Smooth over the top. Give it a little shake to even it all out. And then we're just going to pop that into the fridge for about an hour. Once out of the fridge, it's completely up to you how you'd like to top them. I'm just adding a little bit of the leftover coconut cream. Some chopped up strawberries. Some shredded coconut. And finally, topping it off with some grated dark chocolate. And then you're ready to indulge. Yum! It's so smooth and creamy, it's a perfect dessert. So I really hope you liked this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!